Yeah, hello guys, good evening. Hope you are all good. Those who are preparing for GPSC DySP pre-screening exam, they are already prepared. They are doing with their topics. We have also started our mock test series. If anybody wants to see, if anybody wants to check the preparedness of theirs for this exam, for MBA, for this DySP exam, you guys can go through those mock tests also. Anyways, in on 20th we are having a session all over Goa that is completely free of cost session. In that session we will be discussing what kind of questions which come in the exams. So these all things are there planned. Okay, so in the last class we had discussed time, distance and speed, in which few questions I had discussed because this topic is very important as far as exam point of view. So I believe one more class we should take on this. So how many of you are there who were not present for last class, or who have not seen the last class topic? Kindly message in the comment box whether you had gone through time, speed, distance part 1, because today is part 2. How how many of students are there who had not gone through the part 1 series? All the students have gone through the part 1 series, so that I can start with part 2 today. Please message in the comment box, else I will directly start with part 2 today. Is there anyone who was not there in the last session, last Wednesday? Sriram, you were there, I believe. Yes. What about others? Okay, so taking into account that few of you were there in the last session, I am going ahead with more number of questions of time, speed, distance, so that the students who are preparing for this DySP pre-screening exam or JSO exam. Acha, good news is JSO exam forms or JSO exam notification is also due, and in another 2-3 months we can expect JSO through GPSC JSO exam we can expect in another 2-3 months. Also, Goa Staff Selection Commission may release its notification this month end itself. Okay, so maybe possible Goa Staff Selection Commission recruitments will start this month itself. So be ready for all these things. Lots and lots exam form are coming. Lots and lots of options are there. Okay, so let us start with the questions. What kind of questions comes in the exam? So let us take. Okay, no problem. Let us take question number 3, which is there. Question number 3, which is there. You guys can read this question and then I will tell you how to solve this question. Question number 3 we will solve first. Okay, what does the question say? Question says that there is a car A which starts at 8 a.m. from Chennai towards Delhi. There is a car A. So let me mark it like AB. A and B. Car from A starts at 8 a.m. from Chennai towards Delhi. This is Chennai. This is Delhi. Car B meets car A after 4 hours. After 4 hours means what time they will meet? 12 p.m. they are meeting. Okay. 12 p.m. they are meeting. Now, if the speed of car A is 70 kmph, this car A is moving at 70 kmph. Okay, 70 kmph. Then distance between Delhi and Chennai is also given. It is 615. Means this total distance is 615 kilometer. The total distance is 615 kilometers. Now question says find the speed of car B. We have to tell the speed of car B. Okay, So they are meeting after 4 hours. Okay. Car A is moving at 70 kmph. Okay. Suppose I will take car B is moving at x kmph, x kilometer per hour. So total speed will be, in the last class I had told, total speed will become 70 plus x. This is my speed, 70 plus x. Distance is given 615 kilometers, and time where they both are meeting, some distance is covered by A, some distance is covered by B. See, you and your friend, one is coming from Mapsa, one is coming from Madgaon. So ultimately where you will meet? Say suppose Panjim. So you are coming from Madgaon to Panjim and your friend is coming from Mapsa to Panjim. This is how we have to look at this question. Okay, so we know that formula which I told in last class, speed is equal to distance upon time. This is the formula which I told in last class, speed is equal to distance upon time. So time will be is equal to how much? Time will be is equal to distance upon speed. So what will be my time? Time total they are taking how many hours? 4 hours. 4 is equal to distance is how many? 615 divided by number speed. So speed will be how much? 70 plus x. So my 70 plus x is equal to 615 upon 4. This will be my 70 plus x will be is equal to 615 upon 4. Okay, so my 70 plus x is equal to 615 upon 4. But now you see there is one more glitch in the question, and the glitch is car A starts 8 a.m. from Chennai, whereas car B starts 8:30 a.m. This is a big glitch, very big glitch. कार A जो हम 8 a.m. पे ले रहे थे, ये तो 8 बजे स्टार्ट हो रही है, बट कार B कब स्टार्ट हो रही है? 8:30 पे. तो इवेंचुअली हाफ एन आवर में कार A must have traveled something. First half an hour में कार A something it must have traveled. It was traveling at 70 kmph. तो आधे घंटे में वो कितना कवर करेगी? आधे घंटे में it will cover how much? 70 into 1/2. तो वो कितना किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करेगी? 35 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करेगी. सो डिस्टेंस विल बी 615 माइनस 35. ये हमको पकड़ना पड़ेगा. 615 माइनस 35. इट विल कम डाउन टू 580. टोटल नंबर ऑफ किलोमीटर्स विल बी 580. तो यहाँ पे 615 नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे 580 होगा. दिस इज हाउ द इन्विजिलेटर विल चेक यू. तो यहाँ पे 615 नहीं होगा, 615 की जगह होगा 580. सो दिस विल बी 580 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. अभी एक और ग्लिच हो सकता है. क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है? कार बी मीट्स कार ए आफ्टर 4 आवर्स ऑफ स्टार्टिंग. ओके, 4 घंटे के बाद मिल रही है. ठीक है. ओके, लेट अस नाउ डिवाइड 580 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. 4 1 जा 4. Now 18 is there. 4 4s are 16 and 20. 4 5s are 20. So 70 plus x is equal to 145. So your x is equal to, my x will be is equal to 145 minus 70. 145 से ये 70 minus होगा. So it will be 75 kmph. Answer is 75 kmph. तो ऑप्शन हो गया हमारा ऑप्शन डी, 75 kmph. दिस इज हाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. अगेन कार ए, इसमें देखो ग्लिच कहां पे है. क्वेश्चन को ऐसे ही देने वाले हैं एग्जाम्स में, जहां पे देयर विल बी सम सॉर्ट ऑफ ग्लिचेस. ओके, लाइक वेयर इज द ग्लिच? फर्स्ट ग्लिच इज दिस, 8 a.m. car A is starting at 8 a.m. whereas car B is starting at 8:30. कार B कब स्टार्ट हो रहा है? 8:30 पे, मतलब आफ्टर 30 मिनट्स. तो ये 30 मिनट्स में कार ए विल कवर सम डिस्टेंस, तो वो डिस्टेंस कितना हो गया 35 किलोमीटर्स। ये दोनों को माइनस करेंगे, 615 माइनस 35, इट इज कमिंग आउट टू बी 580 किलोमीटर्स आया। अभी 4 घंटे के बाद बोथ आर मीटिंग, तो टोटल डिस्टेंस विल बी 580 किलोमीटर्स। टाइम इज हैविंग 4 आवर्स। स्पीड क्या होगा, बिकॉज दे आर ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम अपोजिट डायरेक्शंस, स्पीड ऐड हो जाएगी। सो दैट इज व्हाई दोनों का स्पीड ऐड करेंगे, इसका 70 इसका x, so that is why my speed will be 70 plus x. Divide करो and you get the answer. Hope you all have noticed it. This is a very important question. Exam में ऐसे questions बहुत सारे आ सकते हैं। Okay, ऐसे ही a lot of questions are there which we had made mixture of and we are bringing to you mock test series. DySP एग्जाम जो अभी होने वाला है या फिर JSO एग्जाम जो कुछ दिन के बाद होगा, we are bringing you mock test series. It is at some cost. इसका जो भी डिस्क्रिप्शन है वो मतलब जो भी इसके डिटेल्स हैं वो आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। यू विल गेट द डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड यू विल गेट द डिटेल्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। That mock test is very, 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 very much relevant to your DySP exam as well as your JSO exams. So those students who want to buy, you can contact us on the phone numbers which is given on the slides. Okay, plus we have also discussed many a times regarding the portion of DySP exam, what kind of questions come, etc, etc, etc. And on 20th there is going to be one big session for all the students of Goa who are writing DySP exam. All the students of Goa who are writing DySP exam, we are going to have a session for all over Goa. That exam will be completely free of cost. That will be a paper analysis in which we will tell what kind of paper comes in exam, what kind of question paper, what number of topics, from what topics which question come, etc, etc, etc. Everything we will be covering off. Okay, so one important topic is time, speed, distance. Let us take one more question from time, speed, distance. Yes, let us take question number 15. Let us now discuss question number 15. A very good question with regards to these kind of examinations. Please read question number 15. A bus driver drives the bus at 24 kmph, okay, from Nagarcoil to Madurai. Nagarcoil to Madurai, a bus driver, it is going at 24 kmph. Another driver drives at 26 kmph from Madurai to Nagarcoil. He drives at 26 kmph. Now, which are 250 kilometer apart. The distance between these two is 250 kilometers. At what time they will cross each other if they start at the same time? So what time they will cross each other? ये निकालना है. Simple. What is the distance? My distance is 250 kilometers. What is my speed? Now both are coming in opposite direction. So speed will be added up 24 plus 26. So speed will be 50 kmph and the last is time which I have to find out. So my formula is speed is equal to distance upon time. This is my formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. So my time will be is equal to distance upon speed. So what is my distance? 250. What is my speed? 50. 0 cancel, 5 ones are 5, 5s are. So after how much time they are meeting? They are meeting after 5 hours. So 5 hours is my answer. This is how we solve all these questions. So 5 hours is my answer. These are classical questions as far as GPSC exam is concerned. Or in other competitive exams as well, these kind of many questions come. in all kinds of competitive exams. These are very, very important questions. Okay, you can write it down or you can take a screenshot of the solution. Let us move ahead. Okay, read question number 19. A very good question for all these exams. Read question number 19. Question number 19 says, a boy traveled to his school, which is at a distance of 20 kilometers in 3 hours. Matlab, he is traveling total 20 kilometer distance in 3 hours. Okay. He rode a bicycle at 6 kmph for some distance. So say suppose 20 kilometer का कुछ distance जो है, he went by bicycle. Then he passed remaining distance by bus. What is the distance traveled by bus? Okay, no problem. Okay. First, by bicycle. Second problem, by bus. Okay. Total distance 20. This. Okay, no problem. Okay. So let me take total 3 hours. In bicycle, he is taking t hours. With bus, he is going by 3 minus t. Now speed. Speed is 6 kmph in this case. And here speed is 7 kmph in this case. Here it is 6 kmph, here it is 7 kmph. So okay, so we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. So my distance is equal to speed into time. So my distance is equal to speed into time. So what will be my distance? Speed into time. And here speed into time. This is my distance. So here my distance is 60 and here my distance is 7 times 3 minus t. And total distance adds to how much? Total distance adds to 20. बस कुछ नहीं है, फटाफट सॉल्व कर लेंगे. तो it will be 60 plus 7 3s are 21 minus 70 is equal to 20. So 60 minus 70 minus t is equal to, यहाँ पे हो गया 20 minus 21. So t will be is equal to 21 minus 20. तो t will be 1 hour. तो बाइसिकल कितनी देर चला? यहां से मेरा बाइसिकल टी कितना आ गया? 1 आवर मेरी बाइसिकल चली. और बस कितनी देर चला? 3 माइनस टी, मतलब 3 माइनस 1, 2 आवर्स मेरे बस में चले गए. तो व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय बस? डिस्टेंस क्या था? 7 इंटू 3 माइनस टी. सो 7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2, कितना आंसर आएगा मेरा? 14 किलोमीटर. तो बस में मेरा कितना टाइम गया? टोटल 14 kilometers मैं बस में ट्रैवल किया. This is how we have to solve all these questions. You can take a screenshot or you can take a photograph of this and keep it. I'm giving you 10 seconds. Okay, let us move on to one next question. If anyone wants the sheet through which we are doing the questions, you can request that on this number 90281 to kindly send you the sheet. Okay, to kindly send you the sheet, we will send the sheet across. Read question number 25. Okay, car A starts from Chennai to Bangalore at 8 a.m. Okay, no problem. Chennai to Bangalore. Car A is moving at 8 a.m. Car B starts from Chennai to Bangalore at 10 a.m. ओके, दोनों एक ही जगह से स्टार्ट हो रही है. अभी देख लो, ठीक है, दोनों एक ही जगह से स्टार्ट हो रही है. अभी तक वॉट एवर क्वेश्चन वी हैव मेड, दोनों अपोजिट जगह से स्टार्ट होती थी. यहाँ पे दोनों एक ही जगह से स्टार्ट हो रही है एट 10 a.m. कार बी ओवरटेक्स कार ए एट 2 p.m. मतलब 4 आवर्स राइड करने के बाद 2 p.m. को कार बी कार ए को ओवरटेक कर रही है. द स्पीड ऑफ कार बी 60 kmph. कार बी की स्पीड है 60 kmph. देन व्हाट इज द स्पीड ऑफ कार ए? कार ए की स्पीड कितनी होगी? ठीक है, देखते हैं. लेट अस टेक स्पीड ऑफ कार ए एज x. अभी कॉमन सेंस हमको ये बताएगा, क्योंकि कार बी इज ओवरटेकिंग कार ए, तो कार बी की स्पीड ज्यादा होगी. So what will be my speed? My total speed will be 60 minus x. ये मेरी टोटल स्पीड होगी 60 minus x. Got it? Now okay, 60 minus x कितने घंटे में ओवरटेक कर रही है? इन 4 hours. 4 hours में ओवरटेक ये कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो इन 4 hours. अब ये क्वेश्चन जो है डायरेक्टली मैं ऑप्शन से बना सकता हूं. ठीक है, 4 hours में ओवरटेक कर रहा है, तो 2 घंटे में इस कार ने कितना ट्रैवल किया होगा? कार ए ने 2 घंटे में कितना ट्रैवल होगा? वही ये दोनों के बीच का इफेक्टिव डिस्टेंस होगा. सो से सपोज कार ए, मैं ले लेता हूं कि फॉर एग्जांपल माय ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए. तो अगर ऑप्शन ए है मेरा आंसर, मतलब लेट मी टेक x इज इक्वल टू 50. लेट मी टेक x इज इक्वल टू 50. सो व्हाट इज माय डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड? 100 किलोमीटर्स. मेरा डिस्टेंस जो है, जो मुझे कवर करना है, वो कितना हो गया? 100 किलोमीटर्स. सो 60 माइनस x कितना लिया? 50. 60 माइनस 50 इज हाउ मच? 10. और कितने किलोमीटर, कितने घंटे चलना है? 4 hours. सो 10 4 जा 40. लेकिन यहाँ कितना आना चाहिए? 100 किलोमीटर्स. तो ये ऑप्शन मेरा नहीं होगा. दिस इज अ रॉन्ग ऑप्शन. सेकेंड ऑप्शन, लेट मी टेक 40 किलोमीटर्स. x इज इक्वल टू 40 किलोमीटर. सो माई डिस्टेंस विल बी इज इक्वल टू, 2 घंटे चला ना, ये 2 घंटे एक्स्ट्रा चला. सो माई डिस्टेंस विल बी 40 इंटू 2. कितना किलोमीटर्स हो गया? 80 किलोमीटर्स. एंड माई स्पीड विल बी 60 effective minus 40. 60 minus 40 is how much? 20 kmph. और कितने घंटे चलना है इसको? 4 hours. So 20 into 4 80. यहां से आ रहा है 80, यहां भी 80 आ रहा है. मतलब मेरा ऑप्शन क्या होगा? ऑप्शन बी. इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने को बोलते हैं यूजिंग द ऑप्शन मेथड. मतलब आप ऑप्शन देखेंगे और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. दिस इज हाउ वी सॉल्व ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस. Okay, so here I complete this topic, time, speed, distance. I think I have done in the last class around 4-5 questions, and today around 4 questions. So around 9-10 questions have been done. If you guys want this sheet, please message us on our numbers. Okay. Okay, Mrunali, no problem. No problem, Mrunali. Okay, so those students who want this sheet can message us on the numbers 90281 50028. We will meet you again on Saturday with logical reasoning questions, and again on next Wednesday I am going to give very important topic, time and work. I had prepared the sheet was already ready, but because of the timing problems, okay, because of the scarcity of time, we are not doing time, speed, distance. So if anybody wants the sheet, please message us on our numbers. Also, our test series is open. Any student want to join the test series for DySP exam or JSO exam, whatever exam you want, okay, you can any day contact us by the test series and can go through it. On 20th we will be having an open house for all the Goan students who are preparing for DySP exam, and in that we will be discussing what kind of questions come in the exam and how to prepare for it. Okay, तब तक के लिए बढ़िया से enjoy करो, मजा करो, and see all my previous videos. Now also we have started one series in Instagram in which we are telling you everything about GPSC. It is a series of 20 odd reels. First reel is already out about how many kinds of GPSC exams are there. Please go through it. There is a lot of content with the Bodhi Academy. We are there for you always. If any student has any doubt, any question, you can anytime come to our office. We are there for you. Tab tak ke liye good night. Thank you. It has been very lovely class. Good night, guys. All the best.